So in today's video we will talk about how you can complete 4000 hours of watch time with the help of YouTube Shorts. So if you are a new YouTuber, then it becomes a bit difficult to complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time in starting. But in today's video I'm going to tell you something so that your 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time will be completed in a few days. So watching the video completely, then only you will understand the video. So without any delay, let's start today's video. But before that, I have a request from you. If you have come to this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel because I keep bringing similar videos on this channel. So let's move on to the video. So the secret trick to monetize YouTube channel is YouTube Shorts. Because YouTube promotes shorts a lot and the reach of shorts also reaches more people. That's you must have seen that more views come on YouTube shorts compared to long videos, whether the channel is new or old. See, by the way, views do come on shorts, but still if views are not coming on your shorts or very few views are coming, so I have made a detailed video on this, that how to viral shorts. If you watch that video completely, then I promise you that from the next day the views on your shorts will start increasing. I have given the link of that video in the I button above and in the description below. After watching this video, definitely watch that video. See, if now you upload both short and long type of videos on your channel, then what will happen with this, that YouTube will make your shorts reach more people, and if they like your short, then they will subscribe to the channel there. Now what will happen if they have subscribed to your channel, so your long video notification will also go to them, and then YouTube will definitely deliver your long video to them as well. And if they liked your short, then they will definitely watch your long video too. And with this, your 4000 hours of watch time will be completed in a few days. But keep in mind that both your short and long videos should be related to the same niche. But if your short and long video both have different channels, so you must have seen that your shorts channel will get more views comparison to your long video channel. So what you have to do is, in your shorts you have to promote your long videos channel. You can give link in description, meaning you have to take your shorts channel audience to the long video channel. So even this, your channel will be monetized in a few days. But remember one thing here too, that the niche of your channel with short and long videos should be the same. So I hope you liked today's video. If you liked the video, then subscribe the channel.